I was driving through a really nice area yesterday. I think it was Mossman. Alexa, ask Real Estate Hunter what's on my shortlist.
Good day, Anna, and welcome back to Real Estate Hunter. You've asked me to tell you what's on your shortlist. Just a moment, let me check. Here we go. There are 2 properties on your shortlist. If you want me to read out the details for all properties on the list, please say, play shortlist. You can also erase a shortlist by saying, erase shortlist.
Alexa, play shortlist.
Okie dokie. Anna, you've asked me to play back your shortlist, which at present consists of 2 properties. I'll just check whether all the properties on your shortlist are still on the market, and if so, I'll read them out. Alrighty. After checking the database powered by Domain, I confirm that your shortlist has 2 properties for sale, which are still on the market. I'll play back details about those properties right now. Property 1 of 2 from your shortlist is for sale, and is advertised as renovation showcase of exceptional style quality. This 4-bedroom house is located at 1 Reginald Street, Mossman, and has 4 bathrooms and 2 car spaces. Land area is 430 square meters. This house is listed for auction on Saturday, 30th of April. Anna, just so you know that within 1 kilometre from this property, there are 20 plus parks and gardens, 20 plus cafes, 20 plus exercise facilities, and 3 grocery stores. Here's a suggestion. If you like the property's location, why not ask the agent to contact you? For this, just say, ask agent to contact me. Otherwise...
No, Alexa, tell me about the agent.
Alrighty. Here are the agent's details. The name of the agency is Richardson and Wrench Mossman / Neutral Bay. The relevant contact for this property is Kirsty Freya. Kirsty's position is the licensed real estate agent. The agent's phone is 02 9969 7622. Anna, do you want Kirsty Freya to call you in regard to this property?
Yes, please.
Righto. Anna, I've notified the agency and asked them to call your mobile 0410 616 892 with regard to the property ID 201770 4921. If you wish to hear about other properties from the list, say next, otherwise, say finish.
Next.
Property 2 of 2 from your shortlist is for sale, and is advertised as rare opportunity in one of Mossman's most prestige pockets. This 4-bedroom house is located at 22 Kirkoswald Avenue, Mossman, and has 2 bathrooms and 2 car spaces. Land area is not disclosed. For pricing information, please call agent on 02 8311 6000. Anna, for your information, within 1 kilometre walking distance from this house, there are 16 parks and gardens, 2 cafes, and 2 exercise facilities. However, there are no grocery stores or supermarkets. Anna, please note that this is the last property from the shortlist. If you want to know more about this property, please say, tell me more. Otherwise, I can send the whole shortlist to your email address. For this, just say send shortlist.
No, Alexa, tell me more.
Alrighty. Here we go, more details about this house for sale. It has been on the market for 9 days. The property also has the following features: swimming pool, water views, and north facing. The next inspection day is on Saturday the 2nd of April from 10:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Here's a tip. If you like these houses and wish to send the shortlist with full details about the properties to your email address, just say, send shortlist. Otherwise, say next to continue.
Alexa, send my shortlist.
Sure. Let me collect required data from domain database. Okie dokie. All required data is gathered. Just a moment, preparing the email. Alrighty. I've sent the shortlist of 2 properties to your email address. This completes our dialogue. Anna, if you wish to start it over, please say, Alexa, open Real Estate Hunter. Before I finish, I just wanted to let you know that we are offering a free property appraisal until the end of the month. Call us on 02 9979 7260 for more details. See you around, and enjoy your evening.
I should check that the shortlist has arrived via my phone. Let's have a look. Ah, yes, there it is. It's amazing. There's everything I need, all the details that I need to go to the property inspection. There's the details of the property, the closest schools. There's even a direction as to how to get there. All I need in one place. Incredible. Thank you, Real Estate Hunter.